Okay, first bite of the wrap. Oh man, that is so good. Mix of the meat and that cheese sauce, incredible. I'm telling you the truth. This is. All right, first bite of the sausage. Wow, that is juicy. Seriously good barbecue right here. Look at this cheese pull. It's perfectly cooked. The spice level is just right, and the cheese balances it out. Man, this is absolutely delicious. The smoky flavor on these ribs is unreal. Oh man, that crunch is amazing. The seasoning on this chicken is just perfect. You have to